On question number 3, we're trying to find evidence that the proportion of U.S. adults that strongly agree with this given statement has increased from 1975 to 1991. So if we did that, the null hypothesis value, that difference from 1975 and 1991, would be equal to 0. If we believe that it's larger in 1991 than it was in 1975, we would expect this difference to be negative. Now, in order to confirm this p-value right here, there's actually a typo in this question. It should not be increased. It should be decreased. Now, what that does is it changes the direction of the alternative hypothesis. So if we believe that the proportion has decreased from 1975 to 1991, it would be bigger in 1975. It would be smaller in 1991. That would leave a difference that's positive. So if you change the order of the 75 and the 91 here, instead of getting a positive z-score, you get a negative z-score. That's fine, but either way, we're going to try and confirm this p-value here of 0.0046. So on your calculator, over to test, this is a 2 proportion z-test. So the first thing you want to enter is, if you've written your hypotheses, 1975 minus 1991, the 1975 data has to go first, the 1991 data has to go second. So when you look at the data from 1975, that's the 170 out of a sample size of 1,013. That has to go first, given the order I've written here. So in 1991, I have 193. That's my number of successes out of this sample size of 1481. So when you put this into your calculator command, here's the data from 1975, the 170 out of the 1013. Next comes the data from 1991. That's the 193 out of the 1481. Now we have to get the direction of the alternative hypothesis correct. That's the greater than alternative. And then we can calculate our p-value. So there's the z-score, the 2.608, and there's the p-value of 0.0046.